So today we know that if you don't stop and challenge the things that you see around you, you can start to take them on as normal. We tend to just sort of absorb all these pressures and things around us, and we take them on as normal unless we ever stop to question them and push back against them. So today we're kind of pushing back for what makes an actual authentic female, a healthy female. What does that look like? What can she do? How does she define herself? Where does she find her worth? Is it just from all the external things around her, or is it from things that she can find internally in herself? So we'll be asking questions like, how do I measure myself and my worth, and what could I spend my time and energy on in terms of trying to figure out what it means to be a healthy female who's going to be a blessing to the people in the community around her, whether they're older, the same age, younger. Let's be women who contribute. And it starts with what we're doing right now, which is acknowledging all the pressures and bringing out all of the questions that we have about being a female. So the girls are taking time to write down all of their questions, which I can't wait to see. And then we'll go from there and see what we can encourage each other with and give a little bit of data and help people to understand their place and where they're going to next.